Well, it was a very active day yesterday. In fact, a moderate risk of severe weather was issued across parts of the Ohio and Tennessee Valley. This led to several reports of severe weather. Here's some hail that fell in Lewis County, Kentucky. We did have some hail and wind reports even as far south as Texas and Louisiana, but stretching all the way up through the Tennessee and Ohio Valley and even up into parts of the Great Lakes. It was a very active day on Tuesday. We even had some very heavy rainfall. In fact, 3.9 inches of rainfall in Indianapolis, Indiana becomes the wettest April day ever in recorded history. Our severe weather threat is going to be shifting east now today from the Delmarva Peninsula to North Carolina. A slight risk of severe weather, but from New Jersey all the way down to South Carolina, it's a marginal risk. And then we're going to watch the Arklatex region, not so much on Thursday, but Friday as another severe threat develops as another system moves on in from the western U.S. So there goes your storm system. Again, severe weather, a possibility. We are also looking at some snow on the northern flank of that. That storm yesterday actually brought anywhere from 6 to near 12-inch snowfall tallies to parts of the Midwest and the Great Lakes region, but we had some record daily snowfall amounts in Sioux Falls and Minneapolis. Still a few leftover winter weather headlines in the Great Lakes in the Northeast. You can see that snow developing within these particular areas. Again, a lot of wind, though. That's the one big concern that we're going to have. Winds could be gusting up close to 60 miles per hour or greater, so that will have some impacts on air traveling around the region. And again, watching that severe threat from the Delmarva Peninsula on south. Meanwhile, critical fire weather conditions continued today in the central and the southern plains with some red flag warnings. Winds could be gusting up close to 40 plus miles per hour within these areas. And again, still pretty warm in the southwest. We're looking at a 90-degree high in Phoenix, but very chilly to the far north. In fact, cold air will stick around over the next several days in the central and northern